Well, Carnival has announced that they're just going to go and raise the price up on everything, and people are daggum freaking out. Okay, it's enough that they're paying enough on just so much on gas, but here we go. We got people complaining about this. And should they have the right to complain? Well, let's talk about it right here on Blue Collar Cruising. Welcome to Blue Collar Cruising. My name is Ike Stevens. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, we do cruising videos here. We talk cruising. We cruise. Okay, and I'm going to take you to NASCAR. That's what I'm going to do. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to destroy a Jeff Gordon car right here on this channel. So subscribe to that if you want to, okay? But we're mainly a cruising channel right here, okay? So Carnival has announced after May the 1st, 2022, that'll be this year if you're watching this year, they're going up on prices on just about everything. Cheers, Bottomless Bubbles, the Steakhouse, the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse, all that kind of stuff, GG's, Bonsai, everything. Everything out there, Cucini del Capitano, and people are freaking out. And do they have the right to? You know, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Do they have the right to? For Cheers, you got them going from 59 or 51.95, 51.95 to 59.95. Okay, so quite a bit of a difference when you add up all the days and per persons, right? And then you got the Bottomless Bubbles going from $8.50 per day to $9.50 per day, a whole dollar more, you know. And then the internet package, you know, for the premium, they're staying the same, but if you get the social package, it goes up from $6.80 to $8.50, and it just goes on and on and on. You'll see this. Well, let's do a list right here. Ding. It is what it is. What do you expect? Okay, the price of everything is going up these days. Okay, everything, gas, milk, bread. So what do you expect for the cruise lines to do? Right, a lot of people are upset. Like they think that cruising should be cheap, and well, I mean, did it go up that much for everyone to freak out? Because you got to figure the cruise lines have to pay for their fuel just like you've got to pay for your fuel. Right, for your gas, they pay for the food, just like you pay for your food. Right, so it's like people are freaking out on Facebook. I just see this crap, and I'm just sitting there thinking, come on, these are first world problems. You're talking about vacation. If you're that strapped for cash that you can't pay $1 more per day or per whatever, then maybe cruising is not your gig. Maybe you ought to go reconsider your life and, you know, maybe go camping or something. But yeah, I know, even that's getting expensive. It just is. But I just don't see the reason why so many people are all up in arms, you know. It's like, I can't believe Carnival's doing it. Well, everyone's doing it. Royal Caribbean will be doing it. Norwegian, they all will. You know, at one time, I'm sure the Cheers package wasn't $51.95 per day. At one time, I bet it wasn't even over 50. Okay? At one time, it probably wasn't even... Listen, how about we suck it up? And if you don't want the Cheers package, you don't have to have it. Okay? If you don't want the Bottomless Bubbles, you don't have to get it. If you don't want the internet, if you don't want the steakhouse, if you don't want the Italian food place, you don't have to do it. All right? But you're going to do it anyway because why? Because it's fun to do. It's something you look forward to do, just like I do. I don't do Cheers personally, but a lot of those other things I do. Bottomless Bubbles, the internet, steakhouse, Cucini del Capitano. I don't do the GG's. I don't do the Bonsai. I think I may try the GG's someday. But Chef's Table and all that, I've never done that. I really don't care. It's just the way that goes in today's world in 2022. Stop freaking out about it, folks. And if a couple dollars, few dollars more, even if you're spending $100 more on vacation, I guarantee you, you're probably going to spend that money in the casino anyway. And we all know about the casino. You're donating to the cruise line with that. Especially if you're me. Hey, it's vacation. You know, either you're going to spend it or not. You can still go on a budget. That's the thing about cruising today. You can still go on a budget. You could go for under, you know, you could take onboard spending these days and spend well under $1,000, probably even well under $500 if you're really frugal. And it's, you know, what can you ask? It's still fun to do. It's still rather cheap if you go and figure all these other resorts you do around the world. I don't know. Cruising is still it for me. You ain't gonna convince me. You know, oh, you gotta spend a little bit more money. I'm spending a little bit more money anyway. Just saying. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching Blue Collar Cruising. Subscribe to the channel if you want to, and hit that like button or dislike. Hey, don't kill me. I'm just a messenger with a I'm an opinionated fart. All right, that's what I am. Hey, thanks for watching, and 73.